Windows 11 is a powerful and modern operating system, but over time, it can start to feel slow and unresponsive, especially if you're gaming, working, or multitasking. If your PC isn't performing as fast as it should, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to optimize your Windows 11 for maximum speed and efficiency in 2025. We'll go over essential tweaks, including disabling unnecessary background processes, optimizing the startup programs, adjusting a few settings in the system, making sure your hardware is running at its best. Whether you're looking to boost your FPS in games, speed up the boot up time, or just make everyday tasks smoother, these tips will help you get the most out of your PC. Let's dive in. Alright, the first step for fixing a laggy PC is to clean the boot of Windows 11. So first step, you're going to search down the bottom left, type in msconfig, and then enter, and you'll get system config straight up. Next, we'll go to services tab. So you can see, hide all the Microsoft services. You can't delete any of those. And we'll just go through each one of these that you don't need. That's not really important. So this Zakinos, I'll stop that. So a lot of this stuff is for gaming. McAfee I don't have anymore, so we can just uncheck all the ones that you want to keep, and tick all the ones you want to disable. So Corsair, anti-cheats, we'll keep all that stuff on, and then restart your PC, and that should at least help with some of the speed issues you're having. Alright, number 2 is disabling the memory integrity. So first thing is to right click the Windows icon, go to settings, go down to the bottom, which is privacy and security, and go to Windows security, go down to device security, and click on the core isolation. So on mine, I've already turned it off. I think it's on default when you buy a Windows 11. So just turn that off. And that's as simple as that. That will improve the performance a little bit. Alright, number 3 is to disable the storage sense. So first up, like again, right click Windows icon, go to settings. Then we go down to system. There we go. Sorry, I'm blind. Let it load up. I've got a fair few games I need to actually uninstall because it's slowing my PC down. So storage sense, just click that one, make sure it's off, and then manually you can delete everything yourself. This just tidies everything up in the cloud, manages local files, it deletes the ones that you don't really need, but you can do that yourself. Once a month I try to do that. So that was disabling the storage sense. Alright, number 4 is disabling the unwanted permissions. So again, Windows, right click, settings, privacy and security, and then we go for each category and go to general, and then just turn off a lot of the stuff. So advertising ID, all this stuff is useless basically. And then go through each one and turn off 95% of them, and that should increase your speed as well. And then go through, might take a fair bit of time. After all the Windows permissions are done, go through each app ones. So location, camera, microphone, all of these. A lot of them I don't even use. So radios, phone calls, call history, none of this stuff is needed. But emails and location, you don't need this on. I left the override one, that's fine. But the main ones, turn them all off, and you'll see increased performance. Number 5 is disabling the unwanted services from Windows 11. So just go down to the search bar, type in services, click on the service systems, Mine load up my other screen. There we go. And we're going to go through a few of them to disable. You can see there's a lot of services here. So we just go through a couple. A BitLocker drive encryption. You can get rid of that. Any of the Bluetooth. I don't use any of the Bluetooth, so that can go away. Manually just turn these all off. This is a lot. See, here's a Hyper-V. So all them should be all disabled now. You don't realise how many you got until you actually look yourself. That's yeah, crazy, isn't it? So yeah, go through each one of them, try and figure out what's what. If it's something you know it's not compulsory to be on the computer, get rid of it. Also, just a quick note, not sponsored or anything, but try using any of the free antivirus malware software. As you've seen, I've got like 3 or 4 different types here on my PC. I usually don't delete the whole lot because I usually every couple of months or so I'll install it, do a major search for any viruses, and then end up deleting it straight after that. So yeah, Avast you can use, or McAfee, any of those big ones, and it's easy Google search for malware search, and that's about it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope it all helped, even just 10%. Let me know in the comments below if this helped you out. Greatly appreciate any feedback. If I've missed anything, or even if there's other settings or things I've missed, let me know down in the comments. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.